Welcome to today's video, where I'll be sharing 10 simple yet powerful habits I practice every day to save money and live a more frugal life. In a world where saving money can often feel impossible, small changes can lead to big results. Did you know the average person spends a shocking $118,000 a year on non-essentials? That's roughly $50 a day that could be saved by making mindful choices. Let me show you how you can start making those choices today without feeling deprived or stressed. Welcome to my channel, where we explore how simplifying life can lead to more happiness, freedom, and financial security. If that resonates with you, give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and let's dive in. 1. Pay attention to prices. This may sound obvious, but knowing how much things cost can be a game changer. Many people load up their carts without a second thought, only to be shocked at checkout. Being aware of prices means you're less likely to fall for sales gimmicks or overpay for everyday items. Take the time to compare costs, whether it's groceries or household goods, and you'll see your savings grow. It's one of the simplest ways to make more informed decisions about where and how you spend your money. 2. Surround yourself with frugal-minded people. You'd be surprised how much you can learn just by talking to others who share your values. Frugal people are often generous with their money-saving tips, and they're not afraid to share where to find the best deals or how to make the most out of what you already own. Building a community of people who are also focused on saving and living simply can be incredibly empowering. So don't hesitate to ask for advice and exchange ideas. It could lead to some major savings. 3. Eat at home. It's no secret that cooking at home is one of the biggest ways to save money. Did you know that dining out can cost up to 5 times more than making the same meal yourself? Preparing meals at home not only keeps more money in your pocket, but it also allows you to control ingredients and portion sizes, making it a win for both your wallet and your health. Plus, there's something so rewarding about enjoying a meal you made from scratch. 4. Do regular food checkups. Before I plan out meals for the week, I always check my fridge and pantry. This simple habit helps me avoid buying unnecessary groceries and prevents food from going to waste. The average family throws away about $1,500 worth of food each year, but by being mindful of what you already have, you can save money and reduce waste. Trust me, this small habit adds up over time and keeps your grocery spending in check. 5. Serve kids smaller portions. If you have picky eaters at home, you know how easy it is to waste food. I've found that starting kids off with smaller portions and then giving them seconds if they're still hungry drastically cuts down on waste. You can always give more, but you can't take food back once it's been served. It's a simple strategy that helps save on groceries while ensuring your kids still get the nutrition they need. 6. Play the waiting game. When it comes to making purchases, patience is key. Rather than buying something on a whim, I always pause and give myself time to think it over. Whether it's waiting 24 hours or 30 days, this habit has saved me from countless impulse purchases. It also gives me time to research alternatives, ensuring I'm making the best decision, both financially and practically. This waiting game can save you time, money, and the hassle of returns. 7. Track daily spending. One of the best ways to avoid financial leaks is to track your spending. Even small purchases can add up, and by staying aware of where your money goes each day, you can catch areas where you might be overspending. It's a habit that keeps me grounded in my financial goals and prevents money from slipping through the cracks. As Benjamin Franklin wisely said, "Beware of little expenses. A small leak will sink a great ship." 8. Keep an eye on the thermostat. Energy costs can add up quickly, especially if you're not mindful of how often you're using your heating or cooling systems. During the winter, I set the thermostat a little lower, and in the summer, I keep it higher to save on electricity. If you're really looking to save, consider investing in a smart thermostat that can help manage your home's climate efficiently and reduce your bills. 9. Exercise daily. This might seem unrelated to frugality, but maintaining good health is one of the most effective ways to save money. A simple 10-minute exercise routine in the morning keeps me energized and motivated throughout the day. When I feel good, I make better choices, including financial ones. Plus, staying healthy helps reduce medical expenses in the long run, which is a major way to protect your financial well-being. 10. Learn something new about finances every day. Lastly, I believe there's always something new to learn when it comes to managing money. Whether it's reading a blog, watching videos, or borrowing personal finance books from the library, I make it a habit to continue growing my knowledge. The more you know, the better equipped you are to make smart financial decisions. And this lifelong learning approach is one of the reasons I've been able to live a rich life on a frugal budget. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Your support helps us create more content like this. Join our community and let's continue this journey towards a more mindful and frugal lifestyle together. Thanks again for your support. See you in the next video soon. Take care.